Hi guys, it's a rainy Sunday in Florida. My carrots are there, and I replanted one of the zucchini plants. My tomatoes are doing good. I added two more. I added a spearmint plant and a lemon balm plant. They're my Brussels sprouts. There's a red striped tomato. And these over here are green striped tomatoes. Those are Chinese noodle beans. I got a couple growing on here. And as you can see, it's raining. Just kind of drains away. I hope everybody's enjoying their day. It's wet and soggy here in Florida. Whoops. It's Sunday, so that means it's church day. We had a good time. And I hope everybody's having a great day today. And enjoying yourselves. Let's see if I can show you some of the other little tomatoes coming on here. So I want to get some lemongrass. And I got some chives I'm going to be planting. Trying to get some herbs going in here. Had a few tomatoes ripe enough to eat. They're good. I just think I have to go with determinate tomatoes on my patio, because these get too tall and too bushy. Too tall and too bushy for me. Yes, I smoke. I know it's a bad habit. Like this tomato plant's way out of control. But if you don't plant things and try them, you never know what's going to happen. Dewy. I wished I could send some of this rain down to places that need it, but that's not in my power. All I can do is pray that places that need rain will be getting rain. That's a zucchini plant I replanted. So, enjoy your day. Make the best of what you can out of it. Bye.